Today on this 2017 Outback, you guys watched the video on how to remove the door panel. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the mirror and put the mirror back on. Since we got it out, I tore it apart because we were painting it, so I'll show you guys how it all goes back together. This mirror goes on the outside. You gotta make sure that this guy goes in through here and kind of just flips around, and you just push it in its place. It'll stay. It's got its own, well, it's supposed to stay. And it's not staying. Once you put the mirror in from the outside, it should stay. It's got like a little pin that holds it. This pin's broken. We might have broken it pulling it out, or it's just stretched out. So you gotta hold it with one hand. And there's these three holes here that you can put through put the screws in. It takes 3 number 10s to put it in, and I'll put one of these guys in, make my life easier. There. Okay, so what you gotta do is you gotta peel back this sticky tape back, and then through this hole you can get to the 2 bolts, and then the other one's gonna go through this hole to get to that bolt. There's 3 number 10s total. If you're having problems with the bolts falling, what we usually do is take some of this stuff and put it on the head of the bolt, and then put it in here, and then it ain't gonna fall out. So let's see if I can get to this screw hole. All right, it's still on there. So let me get that last one, which is in here. All right, all three are in. You got to plug this mirror into here, into there, and then put this stuff back on as best you can. That's how you remove and reinstall a mirror. So again, I had it off already, so watch the video and take the door panel off, and then to get the mirror off, you literally got to peel this back, take those 3 screws out, they're number 10s, 1, 2, and 3, and unplug it from here, and the whole thing slides out. And it's the same way going back in. That's how you remove and reinstall a door mirror on a set. I want to say 15 to 19 Outback is all the same. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we got more videos coming.